All right, guys, as you can see, we are in a different spot today. We are actually in my bathroom. So I get asked a lot about my morning routine and my skincare and what I do to whiten my teeth. So I'm gonna kind of just take you through my morning routine and show you what I do. So before I go to bed, I always use some sort of makeup remover wipe. It's actually downstairs in my office. I use the Clinique Take the Day Away makeup remover. It's my favorite, but if I don't grab that from my office and bring it up here, then I always have like a pack of makeup remover wipes, and I will use these. I've been using the BURT'S. It says that these are for normal skin. They have white tea extract. I don't think that they smell the best. I don't know what it is, but I do like how my skin feels after. So I just kind of switch back and forth. There are like a lot of them that I like. I like the nighttime Neutrogena ones. They're in purple packaging. So I will start with that before I go to bed. Once I get up and get myself going, after I've had like my coffee for the morning, if I have coffee that morning, I will do that. Then I will start the rest of this. So I'm just gonna take you through it. It's not going to be the most entertaining video I've ever done, but I get asked a lot, so I thought, hey, let's just cover it this way. So when I start with brushing my teeth, I switch back and forth between the Crest, and this container looks so bent up. I was like, I'm kind of embarrassed of what it looks like, but I mean, it still has quite a bit of product in there. So I go back and forth between the Crest 3D White Brilliance and the Crest 3D White Radiant Mint or whatever. I do think I like the Brilliance one a little bit better, but I just kind of switch back and forth. That's my opinion. Before I use this, so I am like obsessed with teeth whitening, like probably more than a person should be. So I kind of bought into the gimmicky like activated charcoal whitening cream. Lots of people have told me this is not the best for your teeth. I do not use this every day. I use it like 3 times a week. And it does have coconut in it. Activated coconut charcoal powder is what it says. But it is like natural and organic ingredients only. So I do like this, and I do think that it works on my teeth. So I use this first because it can kind of leave like a black residue like on your gums and in between your teeth. So I do this first, and then I do my toothpaste. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and show you guys how I do it, and we'll get started. So before I dip my toothbrush into this is just like a black powder, and this is very messy. Even when I brush my teeth, I will have to take a rag when I'm done and kind of wipe out my sink, just because I feel like black stuff goes everywhere. So I wet my toothbrush and I just kind of dip it in, and I don't pick up very much, just enough. You guys can see that to like get the bristles in. And already there's like powder from it on my counter. Like it is very messy. So I will get the toothbrush wet, and then I will just take it in my mouth and start brushing my teeth like normal. And you guys can see, like, I've rinsed my mouth with that, and all the black still in my teeth and on my lips and my tongue. And then I always put the lid back on that as soon as I'm done, because if not, it'll go everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see all of the black on my hand. When I say it goes everywhere, it literally goes everywhere. I'm gonna use my Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste and just brush my teeth like I normally would. Then I will go in with the Crest 3D White Glamorous White Mouthwash. All right, so I do go back and forth between the Miracle White charcoal teeth whitener and the Crest 3D Whitestrips. So I will do like this, then this the next day, then this the next day. If your teeth kind of feel sensitive, I would like cut a couple days out. That's just what I recommend. Obviously, I'm not a dentist, but I know when I first started using both of them, I kind of felt some sensitivity like in my gums. I gave it a couple days break, came back, and everything was fine. So, like I said, I'm not a dentist. You just have to talk to your dentist or know like what works best for you and your situation. So then I move on to skincare. So here lately, I've had a couple of breakouts. I have not ever really been the best at skincare, but I've noticed the older that I get, the more that I need to take better care of my skin. I am getting better at skincare. Everyone is always like, your skin is flawless, your skin is flawless. I've been very fortunate in that aspect, but I've realized that that may not last my entire life. So I need to get myself in gear and take care of my skin. So I will, for the little breakouts that I have, I wanted to just mention this. At nighttime, I will use the Kate Somerville Acne spot treatment. So I just take a little bit of this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I purchased this at Sephora. It looks like this. You do not shake it up at all. And then I just take like a Q-tip and I'll dab it in the spots, go to bed, wake up, and the spots are pretty much cleared up. It just really dries it out. But I found that this works best for my skin. Next, at nighttime before bed, I will occasionally do a mask. I've really been loving the Glam Glow Sonic Mask. I will link it below if this is still available. I did purchase a couple of these because I thought it was so cool, but I do love it. And this is for firming. So I love the Glam Glow products. Next, I will do, so this is the KIEHL'S Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So what I do is I go back and forth between the KIEHL'S mask and the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial Mask. KIEHL'S recommends you use this 2 times a week. Drunk Elephant recommends you do this 3 times a week. So I just go back and forth. After I've done 2 and 3, obviously there's still 2 days left in the week, I will use the Glam Glow Power Cleans Duo Cleanser. So this is like a mud to oil or mud and oil to foam mask, sorry. And I love this. I am like a huge sucker for Glam Glow products. So today is the day I'm gonna be using the KIEHL'S Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. It is one of my favorites. I love KIEHL'S, as you know from previous videos. This is a brand new one I just had to repurchase. So we're gonna open this together. All right, so you apply this to the skin. This is what it looks like. I apply a really thin layer. That's what it says to do on the back. This does have a real earthy kind of mud smell if you're into like what things smell like. So you leave this sit and you allow it to dry on your face for 10 minutes and then you wash it off with a warm cloth very gently. So we're gonna wait the 10 minutes out and then we will wash it off. So after your 10 minutes has passed, you'll start to feel the mask be tight on your skin. That's what you want. So then I just get the water, not super, super hot, just warm. You don't want to be rough on your skin with the rag. You just want to lightly rub. I'm just being very gentle. If I have to go back over a couple times, and in some spots you will, just where it was thicker, that's totally fine. so after I take off my face mask, I will do a little bit. This is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff underneath the eyes. So I will take a little bit of this. I always kind of put the little stopper back on and then I have a hard time getting it off. So typically, and this is another reason why I have the stopper on, because it's hard for me to just dig in there with my nails. So I'll just take what's on the lid and I just take a little bit like that underneath my eyes and rub it in. All right, then for my full face moisturizer, I have been using the IT Confidence in a Cream. And then I do have a broken fingernail, so. And this does not take very much of this at all. I actually have my husband using this too. That is it for my morning routine. Like I said, I am not in any way a dermatologist. I am just telling you guys what I do, what I use, what works for me. So I do recommend either asking a dermatologist or just kind of using whatever I've suggested at your own risk, because I'm not a doctor. So that is it. After you put on your moisturizer, you can either immediately like jump right in to doing makeup, or you don't have to, you can leave it just like this. That is your call. So I hope that you guys have a great day. Go do something nice for someone else. Make sure if you're not subscribed to hit that subscribe button. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below how much money you spend on skincare, if it is a struggle for you to spend a lot of money on skincare, and recommend some products to me in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye!